1000% right away you could tell a difference. This is like night and day because it literally just catches you and it kind of conforms to your whole femur. And especially being an above knee amputee, that's so important because above knee amputee, you're gonna have like long existing problems. Sores and chafing and things like that because of different pressure points out of those sockets. This is so amazing because it's literally grabbing a hold of that entire limb, and it's just like somebody just like wrapping like a huge hug around you and like makes you feel safe. I know that sounds so weird, right? But like I feel safe when I walk on it. And I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.